So you want to join the YouTube universe? Great choice. It's like stepping into a theme park where the rides are cat videos, gaming fails, and conspiracy theories about pigeons. Step 1. Go to youtube.com. Yes, use a browser, not a toaster. We're making a channel, not reheating pizza. Now click that sign in button in the top right. You'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, make one. It's easier than assembling IKEA furniture, and way less Swedish. Once you're in, click your profile icon. Now choose Create a Channel. This is the part where you name yourself. Go wild. Epic Banana King? Sure. Grandma Gamer 42? We respect it. Next up, time to subscribe. Find a channel you like, maybe one that teaches you about finances like that famous Live 4 Income YouTube channel, Wink. Then click subscribe. Boom. You're part of the internet cult. I mean community. And that's it. You're officially a YouTuber. Go forth, binge responsibly, and remember, subscribe buttons are like hugs, but digital. Like subscribe and comment below your YouTube name. Unless it's something like Toilet Ninja 69. We've seen enough.